You to view YouTube comment history. For that, firstly, we need to open the YouTube tab. From there, you need to tap on your profile. So make sure you have logged into the correct account or switched over the correct account for checking your YouTube comment history. So let's say if you are not on the correct account, you can tap on switch account, and from there you can access your channels here or accounts here. From there you can switch your accounts. So after switching over there, you need to tap on this three lines, which is maximizing and minimizing. In that, you need to tap on the history. So it is below the U option. You need to tap on history. And from there, here you could find the search watch history. Below that, here you could find the comments option, which is below manage all history. So you can tap on that. And after that, it will take you to the page where you can see all your YouTube comments and you can access all the comments. Let's say if you need to delete those comments, you need to tap on this little X mark over the beside of that comment, so that will be deleted. This is how you can view YouTube comment history. Thank you.